Hey y'all, it's Bree again. Watch me transform my pantry space and build these wooden shelves. Stay tuned. I'm in Home Depot to purchase the wood for the shelves. This is how much the wood costs, and I need 2 pieces. Inexpensive project. What is this? Yuck. Okay, so I replaced the piece and we rolling. I measured my pantry before coming to Home Depot, so I cut this according to the size of my pantry. Your pantry might be different, I'm sure it is. Each pantry differs, but these are custom cuts. Okay, we're back home from Home Depot. Excuse my nail, but since we're about to do handiwork, I'm not getting my nails done. I got a broken nail. I'm about to show y'all my pantry so you can see the before. Here we go. No judgment, because it's about to be way better. So you see my pantry space, you see what I'm working with. A little tight space, but we're gonna make it cute. Let's get started. I'm so excited. The labels on my baskets needed a major update. Most of them say baby, and I no longer have baby food. I thoroughly enjoyed this part because it helped me to throw away a lot of things that I no longer use in my pantry. I was somewhat a little organized already with my cereal containers, but this pantry is a mess. I'm looking forward to the update. Okay, now that this is empty, I see that it's gonna need some love. I knew that already, but now I know it definitely needs love. So I'm going to clean this up. It needs paint. This stuff works real good because the floor was greasy and gunky. And once this paint dried, the pantry looked like new. I sanded my wooden pieces where they were cut for a smooth finish. Well, there's another nail broken. That's why I don't get my nails done when I start doing handiwork. I stained my wood pieces with this stain. The color is American Walnut. Here's the final results. That's a nice thing. Not a pro painter's tip, but a DIY painter's tip. Please use gloves when staining wood. After my stain dried, I use polyurethane as a finish. Here I am trying to make sure that my wood pieces fit in my pantry. I had so much trouble with this later on. Whew! I then used Gorilla Glue to bond my wood pieces together.
It don't move. You hear what I'm telling you? It don't move.
I used a brad nailer after the glue dried to make sure the pieces never fall apart. Voila!
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping, was okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush.
The problem is I'm working with such a small amount of space. These are in the way. I'm gonna get through this without taking everything down. I will either cut this wood shorter or I would have completely nothing in the pantry. All I know is the end result better be worth it because I am tired. So real life, one of my wooden shelves were cut a little longer than the rest. I'm gonna have to take this out. It's just in the way. Woo! This is a workout, y'all. Child, these shells wanted to tussle, but I got them in. That was tough, but we made it. I'm taking this wood filler and I'm filling in all the holes that were left in the shells from the brad nailer. I went in with a little more stain to make the wood filler match. Seamless, baby. You see no holes. I had my foil and saran wrap on the floor of my pantry, but I just bought this cute organizer that fit right in my drawer. The link is down below to my Amazon storefront, where I bought most of the new items that are going into my pantry. Here I am washing out the oil dispensers. I made new labels for my new containers with my Cricut machine, and I'm about to cut them out and apply them.
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good. Chuck a look around, find one to see my type. Damn, my dog, and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is, I meet a girl tonight.
Now all the hard work is done. Let's load up this pantry. I love these trays. They're called Lazy Susans. The link is down below in my Amazon storefront. These motion lights were the perfect final touch. Link down below in my Amazon storefront. You better shop it.
No limit, got that masterpiece. No limit, baby. Give you that black car. No limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby. Niggas say, no limit. I see murder that. No limit, baby. Give you that ghetto D, girl. No limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby.
Let me tell y'all something. I love it here. So clean, so pretty, so functional. I love that the shelves match my cabinets. Headed to get my nails done. Like, comment, and subscribe.